I like to have people visualize a variable as if they've gone into a post office. You all know what a post office box looks like. A variable is like a post office box. Typically, post office boxes are numbered. That would represent the variable name, and you know it's going to contain mail. So you know that a variable is going to contain data, but what specific mail is there, you aren't going to know until you go and check on it. And that's sort of like a variable. The contents can change, but the location and the name of it stay the same. So we could create a variable that's a string. We can create a variable that's a number. We can create variables that have multiple parts to their names. And this is part of self-documenting a program. Using good variable names explains what they are. And so having good variable names is important. We can change something. So we're going to print everything. Then we're going to change the variable by overriding it. And let's test that. So, okay, name equals. Oh, I didn't put, it's a string, I didn't put it in quotes. That's what we would call a syntax error, an error in what I typed. And that should have been an equals sign. What we're doing now is called debugging. And there we go. So as we get more complex programs, you are going to have typos. It just happens. Just accept it and correct and adjust and move on. But that's part of the process, is finding your errors, and you will often find them at runtime. And usually at runtime they're going to be syntax errors. Sometimes you'll have logical errors where it does something but it doesn't do what you intended it to do. But typos are usually syntax errors. We're not using the correct syntax.